All right, you guys, I am showing you what's about to happen here. I am about to resin all of these boards as ocean pieces. It is a commission that I'm working on to head to New York. And here are so I primed the wood first with this primer. Then I spray painted to get a base coat. These are little wood panels, and I got them off Amazon, so I'll show you guys. But then I'm using the acrylic Montana spray paint, and in blue dark and in pool were my two colors. I've also prepped my pigments. So I'm using KS Resin Salt Water. I love these pigments. KS Resin El Dorado. I'm using Resin Art as well. Forgot I just dropped everything. Resin Art, the Luster Pigments Aquamarine. It's really pretty and it reacts well. And I'm using Surf's Up. So those are really awesome pigments. And I've got everything kind of layered out here. And I am super excited. I'm using the Casting Craft and alcohol ink, and I put a little bit of alcohol ink into one of the pigments as well for Baja Blue. So I have so much stuff going on here. I'm going to do the best I can with the video, and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, I saved one so that you could see how I added the second layer of everything. So this is the KS resin that it's just clear right now. I'm gonna work a little fast because I already did 4 other pieces that I'll show you. And I'm just gonna spread this around. Now I've already spray painted the boards. Primed the boards first with a primer, spray painted them with that Montana spray that I showed you. And then and that's all to seal in so that the paint won't soak into the boards. And then, whoops, I can't talk and do this at the same time. Then I went over them with 1 layer of resin just to get kind of some dimension to the background. Because otherwise you can see it's kind of flat here. And other people may do this differently. And I didn't have any base tints that I was working with, so I added alcohol ink for my lacing, but you'll see what happens in just a second as I go through. Okay, so now this is phthalo blue color mixed with Payne's gray that I, whoops, almost knocked you over, that I made up. So I'm just gonna pour that along in some strips. And the commission wanted primarily darker blues. I started with a little bit of aqua in the background, but that's really all that is. It'll just be for the background. And I'm gonna save just a tiny little bit for this last little round that I have. And then this is my white that's mixed with, it's Casting Craft and a little bit of alcohol ink. You don't want too much white because it will definitely take over. And I kind of want the background to show through a little bit. So now I'm just gonna pop the air bubbles. It's hard trying to do it on this side. I keep trying to knock over, I mean, you guys know I knock over stuff anyway, but when it's right in front of me. So you don't want to burn this at all. You just want to move it really quickly. Okay, it looks really pretty like that, but I'm going to create the waves now. So I'm going to turn this on for a second, so I won't talk, but I'm just going to push the colors over each other with the heat gun, and that's what I'm using, and it will create the lacing in the waves. Don't get it too close. It will burn. Now that is a different technique, but and there you have it. And so what I was doing in these other ones that I'll show you, I was putting additional layers. So I did like 3 or 4 layers on every single one, but I really, really like the lacing, and I like how it looks from underneath to be so dimensional. So let me take you down and I'll show you. So like, look at that lacing and those cells. It's really just phenomenal. And then here's another one. That's how it's drying. There's a small one and another one. Hold on, I'll take you to the other sets. There's another one. Again, the glare. And then there's a beach one. Well, they're all beach ones, but that's like an actual wave one. And then that's one of my favorites. Again, the lighting, not so great. But anyway, so I just wanted to show you about it, show you the products. I've got my links down below for KS Resin. I really love their pigments. I really, really enjoyed working with the resin art from Color Art, Leslie Olmstad. I really liked those pigments as well. She sent me those, so you guys can check out either on Amazon or her website for those. I don't have any codes for those. I do for the KS Resin. But I am super excited about this commission. It was so many pieces. It was so stressful trying to get it done, but I could not be happier. So, yay. So excited. All right, you guys, thanks for watching. Happy painting. Bye.